Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and today we will learn about the way how we can use the shortcuts, and I would like to show to you how you can use shortcuts for get notification whenever your battery is charged fully. So you just need to open the shortcut application on your app library, and then you just need to tap shortcuts, open it, and make sure that you are stay into the automation, which is the middle sections right here. Now tap into this plus button. Actually, I already have one automations that I show you, which is this one. So when battery level rises above 95%, and then I will get the notification to unplug the charger. Let's create a new one. Click this plus button, and then you just need to scroll all the way down until you got the battery level. Tap on it. Now you need to adjusting when or which level that you want to get the notification. Let's say after like 100% battery, I will want to have the notification. Don't forget to change from the run after confirmation to run immediately to activate it automatically. Go click next. The next, you just need to tap in the speak text, and then you just need to type the text that you want to get here. Now unplug your charger. And now you just need to go click done. So whenever your battery is 100% charged, you will get the notification to unplug the charger. Let's just try the simulation.
Now unplug your charger.
You will get this notification later on. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy this, and if you still have some question, just drop the question into the comment section, and let's meet again into other tutorial.